good jerseys going on in the house.
Ah, get that crap out of here.
You just...
There's a stud jersey.
You just flipped something underneath. Am I supposed to open mine yet?
Not yet.
Do what you're told to do, Sue, when you're
I
told
don't
to
know
do
what
it.
I'm told to do.
Gotta put down the shirt. There you go.
Oh, that is a new one.
Okay, Mom, go.
What?
Open your box.
Open my box.
Oh, I knew it!
Hey, if this has the Cowboys on these tickets.
You need my glasses?
Woo! Woo! Oh, shit.
Oh, you got to. No, keep going, you ain't done.
We're not done yet, Dave.
You're not done.
Totally better!
Wait, I'm crying. I'll take pictures of me crying.
Oh, look at Mom.
You got to keep going. Wait. Did he look at the rest? Yes. Hold on. You got to.
Oh my God!
Wow.